Hello, I'm Carlos Coronado and welcome to the third tutorial about how to mod Infernium. It's actually quite easy and we're going to learn in this tutorial how to change something in Infernium. And I'm going to change all the enemies' cloaks for a picture of my cat because I love Nina. So I'm going to my Twitter account, I'm going to grab this image of her, she's so beautiful. I'm going to make in Photoshop, making a new texture. Okay, something like this. Okay, and I'm just going to save it in. I already have my copy, but whatever. I'm going to save it in the desktop, and I'm going to import it. You grab Nina texture, and you import it. Remember, in the custom mod content folder. I put it here, fantastic. And now what can we do? First, we need a new level. I'm going to make this one, and I'm going, because this is going to be the mod launcher that we need. Mod launcher hidden enemies or hidden foes, for example. Okay, like this, and I'm just going to search for the enemy class here, or I could just go to open content, interaction showcase. Yeah, I want to save it. You can just go here and copy paste the enemy to the launcher kitten. I'm just going to set the position to 0. Okay, here it is. And let's see, we want to change this material, right? So we're going to go like this one is called enemies biped. Oh, here is the material. So I'm going to grab this material and it's going to click and drag into custom mod content, create a copy there. Okay, and here in this material, yes, this is the one we want. I'm going to coach Nina, select this texture in the material and assign. So easy. So now we have a material that is the same as the enemy, but with Nina instead of instead of a cloak texture. So what else can we do? Actually, let's make it rotate, because why not? I'm going to lower the speed because I think it's going to be too much. Well, it's okay. Okay. So now what do? We need a new actor. That is an actor that is going to be spawned in the main Infernium persistent level, and it's actually going to change. It's actually going to take care of changing things. So I'm going to click here. Actually, I can close this. I'm not going to close it because it's called enemies biped. Okay. Remember that we want to change here. It's called enemies biped here. Enemies biped. So I'm going right click, blueprint class, actors, mod, kitten, changer. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here is actually make it to implement the mod interface with class settings, new setting, and here we find mod actor interface. Fantastic. And now we bring the interface here. This interface will retrigger whatever plugged in when the level streamer takes place or when the player dies. So it makes sure that the changes are constantly happening in game. So let's see, mod event mod interface event. We add this one, and now let's go to the mod and make things dirty. Get all actors of class. I like the smell of get all actors of class in the morning. And it's called enemy template. And now let's connect this here, and now we say for each of these. Okay, we want to get the biped. Get enemies biped. Yeah, we set material. and we want to set the material to, okay, element 0 is okay there, but and it's the what to rename to Nina Cloak. I'm going to put here. Okay. Now, if I play, it's not changing. Why? Because the actor taking care of the change is not spawning in the world. So we have to do this is just for testing purposes, but we have to grab our mod kitten changer and put it somewhere in the world. Don't worry. It's changing. Yeah, it's changing. It's kind of very creepy actually. So okay, nice. It's working quite nice. We can delete this actor. We can delete this, we can delete the sky, we can delete everything if we want. The fog, the atmospheric fog, everything but the player star. Okay. So now what do? We open this level. Open level blueprint. Okay. And we have to tell that, hey, when the player loads this mod, then the main game levels are going to be loaded, alright, and this is very important, we are going to spawn the actor we just created that changes the clocks in those levels. Super easy. Get game instance. You get the game instance. Cast to Infernium game instance. Okay. And I like to convert them to pure cast. And then set is change game mode. Yeah. And then we have to click yes. And then we have to get this one, get mod actor kind, and we need to add boom. And which actor we add? Well, you guess it, mod kitten changer, right? And then we open the persistent level of Infernium. Open level, and the name of the main persistent level, which is not included, I repeat, is not included in the mod files, is called Inferno persistent level. Yeah, sorry about that T, drives me nuts every time I say it, but too late to change it. Compile, save, and believe it or not, we are done. And actually, just to be tidy, because I don't want to be messy, I'm actually going to change the name of my plugin. Okay, instead of Hello World, I'm doing kitten mod. Okay, and here kitten mod 2. Okay, and okay. Just in case. Now we go to Inferno. So essentially what's going to happen in the game is we are actually going to load the kitten launcher level, and when that is loaded, we are going to instantly do, hey, spawn this actor when the main levels are loaded, and actually super quick load the main game. So I think this is it. Let's check it again. Mod launcher kitten. Okay, so this is what I just said was going to happen here. We're going to set the actor, we're going to change the game. This is what we're going to add to the game, and this is the actor that is actually going to change, okay, the materials of the enemies, and then we're going to load the main game. Okay, we're ready. Just Windows, Project Launcher, and remember we changed the name to kitten mod. So in here we need to change this to kitten mod. Fantastic. Oh, sorry. We also need to include the mod launcher kitten foes, and do not put that one there. Okay, we're done. We compile our mod. Okay, this is done. So let's actually see our mod here. It's in plugins, hidden mod, save, stage, and here it is. So we grab this one and we bring it to our Steam directory. Okay, we go to Infernium in Steam, game, Infernium, content, packs, mods. We put it here and if we launch the game, going to mods, and there it is, Kitten Foes. We grabbed it, we played, and the persistent level of Infernium is being loaded. Okay, this is the normal Infernium. Let's just search for an enemy. Oh shit, there was some there. Well, never mind. Let me complete this area over here really quick, because I know where enemies are. Let's see, Nina. And there we go. There's our Nina texture on the enemy. It's so ugly, oh my god. But yeah, this is how you change something in Infernium. Like, you can actually change whatever you can with this method. There are other methods, of course. I think this is the more standard one. But yeah, if you actually, let's check that all the enemies change. But yeah, this is how you change something in the main game. Let's see this other enemy that is waiting for us here. Actually, if you do it like here, you don't trigger him. Here we go. There's so he's so fucking ugly. Oh my god. But yeah, it's changing and Nina is there. Like, take a look at her. At Nina's face. Okay, this is all for now, so thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!